pulling up here at the site. This is a good sign right here, man. We getting so the underground is being put in. It's underground power. How y'all doing, man? You guys showed up at a good time. I got the dries. Well, if the rain a whole lot, I got the concrete coming. When is it? Thursday. So that means y'all can go straight to it. I'm glad I didn't put that pad out there. So this is what you got here, guys. This thing right here. They're gonna run it in that. They're gonna run that line in that conduit. They're gonna put it in here. Ooh, this sucker go deep too, buddy. So we'll go up in here. We're gonna come here. Let's see what we got here. Woo. You guys can see how we going up in here. So they're gonna run that conduit. I hope that thing don't fall right there. We don't run it right up in there. So we got our gas already ran. So you can see gas right here. We got this guy right here ran. That's gonna be a good thing. So that worked out good, man. I was really reluctant to do the drives and walks as of now. But guys, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna clean this place up, man. I can't stand it anymore. So I'm gonna clean it up. I got some trash bags. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna knock this bad boy out the way, man. We're gonna get it all good and clean. Just kind of look at it. You know, I got a couple of guys that should have. Yeah. I'm gonna break all these boxes down. You know, you'll be amazed at how much space you get when you break boxes down, man. Kind of look at it up in here. Let's see what this bad boy look like, man. Of course, I'm doing another job site close to my house, man, and I don't like going over there. I don't like being there. So I'm gonna get all this stuff right here. We'll clean all this stuff up today. They still hadn't done it yet, man. They still hadn't. Well, I tell you. I had to call him again, man, and say, hey, man, what's up, man? What we got going on? They still hadn't put my sinks in. Got the plumbers gonna come tomorrow. Yeah, I called him. Somebody left this right here. So I'm gonna just try to sweep up this stuff right here, man. I just can't stand it. Can't stand it anymore. We can go ahead and call the painter. She can come on out here, do her thing, So yeah, I'll try to clean it up. I'll try to break these boxes down, clean up. You guys see how it look. Let's see what happens when we get done. I'm gonna take all this stuff, you know, some of this stuff can go to my shop. Some of this stuff right here, the deck guys didn't put it up, so I gotta deal with that. Some of this stuff we can take back. Look at it. Oh, this gotta be pressure washed now. Got the steps. Got this right here messed up. So I'm going ahead and I'm getting these notes in. So we gotta take this down. I don't know, maybe it can go around here and go out through one of those. I don't know, jeez. But there it is over there. So we're just gonna come here. And I should have some gravel. That's what I got in here. I got some hardy board that needs to go back. Couple pieces of lumber, so me and my son will come here and do a trash run. I should have burned some of this stuff. So we got 2 loads. It's a lot of gravel, man. He ain't gonna need all that. But I got 2 loads just in case. We need to fill it in right here and in the front where those guys are working at over there. We're gonna have to fill that in for the drives and walks. So we'll fill it in. That's what we got. So he got that thing right there in the way. He can't do his thing. Really easy. What he's gonna do is probably drop it right there. All right, so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. I'll do it in one more video when I'm done with it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I kind of got things kind of straightened up. Didn't get a chance to get to the outside out here in the garage, but I just kind of went through and cleaned it up. Try to get everything kind of straightened up around here where it just don't look so bad, man. I mean, you know, my gravel actually showed up outside. So this is what we look like. These are all the bags of trash I picked up. I broke down the boxes. So, you know, just kind of got everything kind of straightened up here. So when the subs come, they don't just call themselves messing everything back up again. Let's see if I can get this right here. I gotta open up a couple of windows. How's that? Shucks. I still can't stand all this dirt here, man. It's just godly. Put the lights on where the light's supposed to go. Kind of clean it out in here, man. You can kind of, it looks a whole lot better. Put that in there, that goes in there. So guys, you gotta clean these sites up, man. You gotta keep them organized, because you don't, man, they get away from you. And then, you know, you also don't know when the homeowner's gonna come check it out. They don't like seeing that. I mean, these steps, man. I mean, well, at least we got paper on to protect them. I had a lot of boxes, man, I had to break down. So it's a much better look. Feel like I can get some work done. Look like the rain is gonna try to stay away from us. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, just kind of put everything in here. Plumber's supposed to be coming tomorrow, so I just wanted to have everything set up for him. So when he comes, you know, it's just not so chaotic for him. All right. All right, guys, there we go.